Hello friends, welcome back to Roast and Relish. Today I am going to make fish fry. Let's see how to do this. The ingredients required for that are half cup of tamarind. I have taken out the pulp and kept it ready. 3 teaspoon of chili powder. I have already mixed the coriander powder in this. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon of pepper. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. And I am taken pomfret fish for frying. Let's mix all the spice powders along with tamarind pulp and then make the paste. Add the chili powder, add the turmeric powder, pepper powder, salt. I'm adding little bit. After that, according to the taste, we can add it. I'm adding the ginger garlic paste. Add the tamarind pulp. Now mix it well. Little water if you want. Don't add more water. Now I have made the paste. Now we have to apply this paste on all the pieces evenly and allow it to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I have arranged all the pieces on a big plate and this will be useful to apply the paste on the fish pieces evenly on both the sides and then marinate it. Now I have applied the paste on all the sides. Now I am going to allow this for 10 to 15 minutes to marinate. After that we will start frying it. Now take a tawa for frying. I am adding olive oil. It will be very tastier for fish fry. So I am adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil into it. Let it become hot. Then we can add the fish pieces into it. Now the oil is really hot. Let's add the fish pieces one by one. Keep it in low medium flame and fry the fishes. I am adding 3 at a time, so this will be enough to turn and fry it properly. After 2-3 minutes, flip it on the other side. Allow it to cook for 2-3 minutes again. Now let us flip on the other side. So it is nicely roasted. So time to remove it. Now you can remove the fish pieces. Now the yummy crispy fish fry is ready. Have this with white rice. It will be delicious. See you in the next video. Bye friends.
These tips would be helpful for you to fry the fishes in a better way.